Most of producers get really mad when they hear about producing 10-20 beats a day. That's because they are lazy and arrogant. I want to prove in this video that you can really make beats from scratch in 30 minutes. You can make 2 full beats in 30 minutes. I mean basic mixing, mastering and arrangement, everything in 30 minutes, 2 beats. I want to prove in this video that this is really possible to finish beat in 15 minutes. So I will make 2 beats in 30 minutes. This is no some speedrun, this is no some gay TikTok video where I'm pretending to produce. I will just sit here unedited. I'm not sure if beats are good, if beats are bad, because this is not planned, this is not staged, this is just experiment, and this is to prove to all those lazy motherfuckers who will tell me that this is impossible to create 10 beats a day. So to make it harder, obviously I don't use any loops, samples, anything like that. 2 beats from scratch, and they will not be the best beats in my life probably. I don't think they will go on Billboard, but yeah, producing is a game of numbers. You need to produce a lot to improve. Let's set a timer, 30 minutes. Okay, I think I can finish 2 beats in this time. I have no idea, so I will just start with chord progression. I talked about this tactic recently. To be honest, I will not speak much during this because I want to focus. I need to lock in. Okay, I think it worked. Okay, some drums. Because it sounds bad, too harsh. Wait. This, yeah. Not a big fan of this beat. No. I'm not a big fan of this beat, so I will just do a quick arrangement and it will be it probably. So if beat would be better, I would spend more time here honestly, but it's just not it ain't at all, okay? Generally, beat is not the best, of course. This is not some industry mix, this is not great. but I'm not a fan of this beat. If this beat would be better, I would sit here for an hour, 2, 3, maybe for 2 days, okay? But if we just want to push our beats today, we want to experiment, we want to make new ideas, new melodies, this is what we aim for. So I just made this and I'm good. And I can export it. If one day I want to do something about this beat, I will go back here. But generally, I now got a full beat here. I like hit to like 30 seconds of stopping in the recording, so I could add here like I just maybe you will let me add here like oh I can't add my okay okay. Generally, I would like 1 minute additional. So okay, let's make another beat. Why not? I think I can do this. Is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Okay. Great. Yeah, yeah, hey, yo. Okay. This snare sounds weak. Oh yeah. Right? That's basically it. So it took me like 30 minutes. Beats are ready to export, beats are kind of ready. I'm not really happy with those beats. They are kind of medium, but to be honest, I would spend on both of them 2 hours. They would be 10% better, so still nothing crazy. And now yeah, I got 2 beats. I went through this first beat block phase of producing today, and now I can produce more beats and you have more interesting ideas, because these were pretty generic ideas, like for me, ideas from my previous beats and stuff, kind of muscle memory of producer. But yeah, generally, yeah, as you can see, in 30 minutes you can do those 2 beats and you can go further, you can go develop next melodies. So really, don't be afraid of producing a lot of beats, guys. Bye.